This is a 2017 era GE, the double ovens from Lowe's. And to pull it out, I would suggest going in here, right there. There's sort of like a screw, and it's kind of like got a little bit of a lip, but it's like sunk. So you can put two hands and you can pull straight out, because this cooktop part is sort of strangely loose, like it's kind of floating, kind of sitting on top. So start there and pull out. Control panel got loose in the corner. Two screws from up underneath I took out, and then you need to take out, I think, both of these two from the back. Yeah, because they go through, so you got to pull those two. And over here, same deal, two of them. You can leave these two. That's just a ground, it doesn't go through. Again, one up underneath on each side. Little stubby screwdriver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The way this panel's held on is it's got this big black bracket that holds the board. I'll obviously turn the power before you do this. And there's plastic kind of like feet that come out, one on each corner. I don't know if I can get it, but on ours, the bottom right one cracked right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick a bigger washer, but you can see, I don't think it won't focus on me. There we go. That snapped through. So I would have to have a whole new black bracket. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stick a washer in there and see how it works. But yeah, that was the root cause of this corner. It's looking a little worse than it actually is when it's installed, but that's why that corner got soft and pushing buttons. So just a quick video for you. Corner ones are Phillips with a stubby screwdriver. 4 on the back, 2 most outboard. Quarter socket, or quarter nut driver. And if you are doing this for the same reason I was, those 4 screws are also 1/4 inch that hold those 4 corners of that control bracket.